In this segment, we are going to show you the proper installation of a Shore Commander direct drive motor. First thing you'd want to do is either to strap your bed up so it does not fall backwards, or completely lower it. This is going to be an installation on a new install. If you are putting this onto an existing lift, you would have to remove the 40-inch winch wheel. Okay, first things you'd want to do would be to remove the plastic protective gear cover. You take 2 screws out of that, remove that, discard, and then take your ratchet pawl, flip that completely over. That is no longer needed. Then you'd take your spacer, insert that over the shaft with your threaded collar. Thread that on. You only have to hand tighten that. And down here there is a guide bolt. You will remove that for later use as far as the mounting strap. You grab your mounting strap with your bolt, a lock nut or lock washer, and a nut. Mount that back into the hole that you just took the bolt out. And just snug that down for now. And grab your motor, slide that up over the shaft, and grab your keyway. Put your keyway in there. Then you'll grab the big bolt, flat washer. Grab your wrench and tighten that up. Okay. Then you'll grab your 3/8 bolt, a lock washer, and nut. And you'll attach this to your mounting strap. And this keeps your motor from spinning. And just tighten both the strap bolts holding the strap onto. And then the final step is to mount the outside cover of the motor, included with the 7 self-tapping screws.